Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Poly Penguin token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Poly Penguin is the adorable pink-hearted therapist penguin living on Solana, inspired by the viral Pudgyverse culture with 50 billion plus social media views, born from pure love and community spirit. Polly followed her simulate penguin to Solana, spread kindness, comfort, and emotional support across the blockchain, speaking her unique language of Penglish, filled with heartfelt sounds like Pengi and Pang. Polly serves as a gentle companion and listening ear for her growing flock. Pulled by the community for the community, Polly combines meme coin culture with genuine emotional connection, offering a safe space in the often chaotic crypto world with plans for AI expansion, arcade games, and cross-chain adventures. Poly is not just a token, she is a movement of love, loyalty, and penguin magic on Solana. Poly Penguin token total supply is 999.99 million and circulating supply is also 999.99 million. Poly token is listed on PumpSwap and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.